everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the magic of holiday prep, getting all my Christmas decor and ornaments ready so that when it's time to decorate, everything will be organized and easy. So I have a little bit of a mess around the house, but here's how I want to make sure that I get organized before I start putting everything up. So here is some of the stuff that I have, some of the bins, and then there's a Christmas tree down there. It's a little more here. And the rest of the bins are here. I'm gonna go through every single one of them and sort them out. I'll be decorating 3 trees this year, one in warm, cozy browns, another in sparkling golds, and a fresh festive green one will be in my bedroom. I'm sorting all the ornaments by color so I can enjoy decorating without the stress. It's all about making the process as joyful as possible. So I started by taking everything out, and then I incorporated all the new things that I got for this year. Now this is a little bit embarrassing. I've been collecting these cute little trees for about 7 years, and somehow I've ended up with close to 50 of them. Goodness gracious. I have no business going to the stores to get any more. I mean, when I'm out there and I see them, I want to get another one, but no, I gotta keep in mind all the ones that I already have. Maybe it's time to spread some holiday cheer and do a giveaway. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you'd be excited about that. So here you'll see where I'm putting in, these are 21-gallon bins. I got them at Home Depot for about $6, and they've come in handy so I can sort everything out. You'll see how I'm sorting there by color. I also wanted to add a personal touch this year, so I'm doing some DIY ornaments. Here's a quick DIY. I painted these ornaments with some of the paints that I had, which as a matter of fact, I used some of the same paints for some of the stuff that I did for fall. Same exact ones, just you know, different amounts, gave it a different touch for these ornaments. And then once I was done with the paint, I gave it a little touch of rub and buff, and that gave it that perfect polish finish. It's so fun to create something unique that ties into your overall theme, and I want to use this ones throughout all 3 trees because they do blend in well with all 3 colors that I'll be using this year. I am just bird watching in my backyard while I wait for the first coat of paint to dry up. And now for the fun part. Here I am just going to mix a couple of different paints. I have the chocolate brown and I added a little bit of black. And so I damped a paper towel and now I'm just spreading it onto the different ornaments. Even though the ornaments look a bit messy right now, trust the process. Once they dry and you apply the rub and buff, they'll look stunning. I found this product at Michael's and decided to give it a try for flocking some ornaments. The process is pretty simple. You apply the adhesive and then you add the flocking. I still need a bit more practice, but I'm happy with how they turned out. Here's one that has already dried up and it looks so good. I love the texture of it. Here are a few more ornaments I finished up. With just a little paint and some creativity, you can give your holiday decor a unique and personal touch. So I found this train at Walmart and you can actually put it up on your tree. We already have a train which is a lot bigger, but it doesn't have this stand, so I'm gonna give this a try. Here's what it looks like, which is really cute. But of course I'm going to give it a whole different touch so it can blend in with the rest of the decor. This is the first year I've been so organized with all my Christmas decor, and I think it's going to make decorating a lot more enjoyable. Not to mention, it'll keep me away from the stores because I know what I have. How do you all prepare for the holidays? Do you plan ahead like this, or do you just dive right in when the time comes? I know for me in the past years, it's always been just diving in, and then I forget to take some of the stuff that I already have and I continue to accumulate. So this year I wanted to approach it a little bit different. Well, that's all for today, friends. Thank you for spending time with me while I prepare for what's going to be a beautiful, joyful holiday season. If you have any organization tips or ideas or thoughts on my DIYs, drop them in the comments. I love to hear from you. See you in the next video.